开始了。好，开始。This is our circuits, and this one is a gas sensor, and this one is Arduino board, and we're using USB cable connect our circuits to our PC, and using Python to programming these circuits. And we can see this is result plotting on our screen. And on the right hand one, it is original signal. And we can see without any filter, the signal has a lot of high frequency noise. And on the left hand one, it is a result that have a filter by the IRR filter function. And we can see the signal is more clear than the original one. And if we put some gases near the gas sensor, we can see the curve will increase. And the signal will be changed. And if we remove our signal from the gases, the signal will stay in the same level and it will unchanged.